recording now. Okay, fire up them candles, Lou, and we'll get ready. Well, my son, Lewis, there he is. Ah, it's Lewis. Oh, I had to do it. And I invented, well, we didn't invent it, but we built a Stirling engine. It's got a can with a big piston in it, and then a crankshaft, and then a little pump, an air pump on there, and of course a couple CDs, and it runs off of heat. So Lou's going to hold it over the flame here. I'm going to move back a little. It takes a little heat to get her going. What's going on, Lou? It was running a minute ago. There we go. Barely.
The piston started to stick.
There we go. Runs nice and slow, but it runs. There it goes. And there's the flywheel turning. Stirling engine running on a couple candles. If you put ice on it, on top of it, so the air up top is cold, it runs even better. It'll run for a few seconds till it gets cooled off. Okay, well, that was my Stirling engine video.